Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Before I begin this video, I will tell you about my next upcoming video which will be on bike battery charging at your home. Now, in this present video, I'm gonna share you an important information regarding the traffic rules. Now, the basic thing is a very few people knows about this law and I want to share it with all of you to get you away from difficult situation when a traffic police stops you at that time. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe and like this video and share it with your people. Most of you have already know that traffic police do snatch bike keys when they stop you. Now, my question is it legal to do so? Just think for a moment. What will you call if a stranger snatches your belonging? Yes, that's right. A thief. We call that person as a thief. Under IPC section 379 clause A, whoever with the intention to commit theft suddenly or quickly or forcibly seizes or secures or grabs or takes away from any person or from his physical position any movable property and makes or attempts to make escape with such property is said to commit snatching. The term of punishment for such commits will be not less than 5 years of rigorous imprisonment, which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine of rupees 25,000 Indian rupees. Remember that IPC laws are applicable to each and everyone in India irrespective of their position. But this law will not be applicable in case of the person riding the vehicle is under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Any person have broken the rules by rash riding, riding with intention to cause life threat to other people on road. In these cases, police have right to seize that vehicle and arrest that person without warrant, considering other people's safety. But if you stop your bike when a police officer asks you to stop, then at that time, no officer has the right to snatch or grab your vehicle's keys without your permission. They can only take the photos of the vehicle for fine purpose and they must leave you from that place with your vehicle. If the officer tried to take away the keys, then at that time you can take a video or photo and you can file a case against that officer and inform it to the district commissioner. Thank you for watching till the end.